Hey everyone, I'm Jen Monclus, Elite Certified Sales and Leadership Trainer, here to share another tip with you guys as Elite is looking to elevate our industry one view at a time. So thanks for watching. Quick tip for you guys. I want to talk about keys to bringing in more first-time callers, and what I'll do to reinforce this is share a study brought to us by UCLA. They did a study and a report on the influence of sales. So in a decision-making scenario, they shared with us that 55% of that decision is influenced by visual input. 38% of that decision is going to be influenced by the tonality utilized, and 7% is going to be affected by the actual words that are exchanged. So pretty neat when you really break it down. On the phone, your service advisors don't have that visual aid or input. So the next heavy hitter is tonality. Tonality is the tone of voice they use, the depiction of their emotions, and they can really sell a first-time caller on coming in with the right tone. This is a critical role that your advisors need to understand in their tonality and how that can make a decision in your favor if they're implementing that over the phones.